1, 2, 3.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of a wax kit. This one is for at home, so it gives you everything you literally need to do your own wax, which is amazing. And I'll also have a discount link for you guys, so make sure that you look in the description box to get it. So the first thing I want to talk about is what it all comes with. So of course it comes with the wax warmer, which I love. I love the colors of it because purple is such a pretty color. And this wax kit is by Tress Wellness, so this is a good brand. It also comes with a lot of hard wax. So this one is lavender, peppermint, tea tree, eucalyptus, and lemon. For the wax, they give you the sticks to use, which is amazing. They give you some that are larger and some that are smaller. And I know, like, if I ever run out of this, I can just go to Dollar Tree to get it, which is very cheap. So that's a good thing to know. They give you a big pack of gloves. I already took 2 out because I'm going to be using these 2, but they give you other ones as well. They also give you a pre-wax spray and an after wax, and all I have to do is just add the pumps to it. And they give you a protective collar ring to put on here. And last but not least, the guide to do it. The next thing I'm going to do is get set up. But before I do that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment below. But I have my warmer all plugged in. I did not turn it on because the directions said to not turn it on right away, but to actually pour the wax in first. So I'm going to be using lavender. I'm just going to take this off and pour some in. Now that I have it all poured in, I'm going to turn it up all the way. And I'm also going to place the lid on. So the directions said to let it get halfway melted, and then once it gets about halfway, I could turn it down some. While this is warming up, I just want to say what I'll be waxing today. So I'm going to be doing my armpits. So as you guys can see, I did let it kind of grow out some, literally just for this video, because I wanted to make sure I had something to actually wax. And this is my first time doing this, so I am definitely scared. I never went to go get a waxing before just because of the price, so this is perfect because it costs around $40, but of course I'm giving you guys a discount link, so it'll be a little bit cheaper than that. But I am scared, so hopefully like I don't scream, but we're gonna see how this goes. So the wax is actually halfway melted, and the directions say to turn it down and take the lid off. So it said the recommended temperature is 150 to 180. I'm just gonna go to 150 to be safe, so I'm just gonna turn it down. It was at 257 originally, so 150. The wax is almost done, but I'm going to go ahead with my pre-wax spray, and I'm just going to spray this underneath my arms. I can't believe like I'm really on here like waxing my armpits. Like I never thought I'd just like be showing you guys this, but we are a family. This smells really good, but we are a family, and why not? Like we all get hair. It's nothing crazy isn't at all. So I'm just going to rub this in. This smells really, really good, like really good. Spray a little bit more. This is what the wax is looking like so far, so I'm just going to test it and stir it. It looks pretty much ready, so all I'm going to do now is just take a small piece and test it to make sure that it is not too hot for my skin. So the directions also said to add the protective collar, so I'm trying to follow directions to like every step because I never did this before, so I'm trying my best. And it comes with several, so place this on here. So the wax looks very good. So now I'm going to like just take some and test it on my skin just to make sure it's not too hot before like I do the real thing. So let's see. Guess I'll just do it like on my arm. Okay, it's not too hot. So now it is time for it. I'm gonna pull my hair back so it's not getting in the way. I'm so scared. So I'm trying to like get in a good position. I'm first gonna start by going upwards so I can pull it down. I'm trying to make sure like it's dry down here before I do that from the spray. Okay, let's do it. This is like harder than it looks. Like, I don't know, I thought this was gonna be like way easier to do. But maybe because like I'm doing this on camera and I'm not like in an actual mirror, like I'll watch videos of people doing this and it looks so easy and simple. And like, do you see this? Like, it's not even a circle. It's not a circle, but we're gonna probably do another pass. Press. We're definitely gonna do this again, but pressing it, letting it cool. So we're gonna pull this on a count of one and three. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. It didn't even all the way come off. So scared. I did get some hair. I don't know if you can see this, but there's hair on here. Actually, like the pain wasn't too bad, but like I still definitely have hair here because like I don't know what happened, like it just didn't go on right. So this next time I'm going to try it, you know, again. Hopefully it gets on there pretty good. So this is what it's looking like so far. So I did get some hair, but I have to do another pass. So I actually did the second one off camera because I need to actually like look in the mirror to do it, but I did in the opposite direction. So this time I'm going to be pulling this way. So this is what it's looking like so far. It looks a lot better than the first time because the first time like I don't know what the heck was going on. So okay, the pain like on a scale of 1 to 10, like a 5. I don't know, maybe I have like a high pain tolerance. Like it's more like it was my first time, so it's like, oh, this is what it feels like. But let's see how it feels on this time. So pressing, then try to like lift it a little. I'm already feeling it. 1, 2, 3. Like every time I can't get it all the way. I got it like halfway. Ugh. Oh, this one got a lot of hair. So this is what the second pass looks like. You can kind of see the hair. So that pass actually did pretty good. Like it got most of it off. I'm gonna do one more pass and that should be good for this one. And you guys, like this is actually not that bad. The only waxing I did before was like when you go like to Walgreens or Walmart, you can get like those little strips they had. And I tried that, and when I say it was literally like hell, like literally hell, this is so much better. Like the pain is not as intense doing it. So I would say this is way better than like getting those little strips. And the good part about this, like it looks so clean. Like I'm not even done yet and it looks so much better than just like shaving with the razor. So I'm going to do one more pass and then take it off. You guys, tell me why I forgot to put the gloves on. Like, is it too late to put them on? Like I completely forgot. But honestly, like it's fine without me having them because I've been doing it without them. But I'll add a glove just to make sure everything is good. So I have it all on. Press, press, press. And maybe it'll be easier to pull it. So okay. Okay. And that one wasn't bad at all because most of the hair was already gone. Okay. 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 Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I'm gonna like go to the bathroom to make sure like I don't see any other hair, so I don't have to do like another pass, but from what I see, it looks pretty good. So I saw a little bit more hair, just like a tad. I probably didn't have to do it, but I added just a little bit more. So we're gonna pull this. Probably should have let it like harden more, but anyways. So I am officially done with armpit 1 and it looks really good. And now I'm just gonna take the after wax spray and spray it on here. And like I don't feel, oh, look at this definition. I can't even talk. Look at this definition though, like ooh. Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna spray this here. Smells good as well. Just rub it in. And the good thing is I have very sensitive skin and like I don't feel like any irritation, which is good. So this one feels like more oily for sure than like the before spray. So like that's it. And like look at the difference, like shaved, not shaved. So it is now time to do this one. Hopefully like I can get a better like grip because I keep like not putting enough on here, or like it's just not like a oval, you know, like when it's oval can just boom, but mine like keeps falling off in different pieces. So hopefully I can put it on better. Armpit 2, so here we go. So I'm gonna try to do it on camera, just probably the first pass, because when I try to do it on camera, it does not look cute. So grab the wax. And this is so awkward because like it's my left hand, but this one is a little hot. What the heck? Oh, why did it get hotter? Okay, anyways. This doesn't look too bad. One, 2, 3. I don't know why that would hurt, but it hurt a little bit more. Let's see. That was okay. I get why that one like hurt. Hurt is not a word. It hurt more because it definitely got a lot of the hair off. Still have to get this piece off, but I'm not even. I need to turn on a fan. Like it's getting hot in here. When they say it's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. Not going to do that. Just kidding. But that's a good song though. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna like get the rest of this off and do the second pass. Hopefully I can get this one in 2 passes. That would be amazing. So I'm all done waxing this armpit. This is what it looks like. It looks good. And now I'm just gonna take the after wax spray and spray it. You don't really need too much because it is oily, so rub it in. This is kind of like what it looks like. Like I probably put too much, but it'll dry. Like, but there we go. Now that I'm all done waxing, I kind of want to give you guys my review of this wax kit. I would say 100% get it. Like I love it. Like I'm going to put up a before and an after picture. Like it looks so good. And also like when I just shave, like it just doesn't look as good as waxing. Waxing overall is just better. So for $40 and use my discount link to get it a little bit cheaper, I would definitely get this. Like it is 100% like good. They're not telling me like, Deja, you need to say this is good. They didn't tell me to do all that. But honestly, like I would buy this on my own because it looks so good. and they give you everything you literally need, and I love the packaging of everything, and the fact that they gave you a before and after spray I think is a win. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I had a blast filming this, and even though like it was a little painful, like I'll definitely do it again. Oh, and I also want to include that like in here they show you like what you can use it for. So it is not limited to the armpits. You can do your eyebrows, your upper lip, chin, cheeks, of course underarms, and also the bikini area. So it is not limited to just this, so you can use it in other places. But let me know if you guys try it, and if you guys want to see an updated video to where like I'll tell you guys like how long it lasted and how do I like it like over shaving, I definitely can. And I want to try this on my boyfriend, so let me know if I should. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Lips first touch, get left in the dust.